Hello, everyone. John Hill from EandM here. For those of you that are using the IO-Link version of the 3RE6 products, that integral starter, I want to draw your attention to the fact that those entered the first phase of phase out with Siemens October 1st, 2024. So if you're looking for something with more smarts in your motor starting applications, there's a couple products I want to draw your attention to that were just released in this past year from Siemens. One is the 3RC7 intelligent link module. So this uses the 3RT standard contactors that we could put an IO link module on. But instead of that, we're looking at this intelligent link module. And this gets coupled with the ET200SP product line and gives us a lot of capability to get a lot more information and a lot more control over our motor starting applications. Also, there's another product, again, coupled with that ET200SP line. This one's actually right in that line, which is the ET200SP Starter. This does not replace the starters that they have in the 200SP line. This is an additional product. This is a fully electronic starter and really kind of a nice little product. Take a look at those two offerings, and if you have questions, give us a call. Thanks.